can't wait any longer. I've got the Scots to fit in before 6.
He must have got caught in the traffic.
Or maybe his golfing meeting overran.
So, what's first on the agenda?
Plaid
Cymru.
They want to help first-time house buyers.
What are they doing? Branching out into the removals business?
No, actually they want to give him a grant to pay the deposit to buy a house.
They're a political party, not a building society.
It's getting a lot of support, actually. Well, a lot of people. My niece, for instance. They're finding it really difficult to get onto the property ladder. It really shows they're listening to people.
And we're not, I suppose.
Maybe we could come up with something similar, but a lot more headline-grabbing.
Any ideas? So, what's next?
Free laptops for every secondary school pupil in Wales.
That's interesting. Daring, but visionary. I like it. Whose idea was that?
Actually, it's another one of Plaid's.
You're joking. Don't we have any ideas of our own?
We did think of something similar, didn't we? But we thought it was,
Maybe it's not such a good idea after all. Most kids have computers these days anyhow.
Apart from the poor ones.
Are we nearly finished? My wife will kill me if I'm not at the restaurant by 7.
But shouldn't we discuss the hospital closures?
What's the problem?
Well, it's causing a lot of unhappiness in Wales. I mean, whose idea was it to close down so many anyway?
Actually, it was ours. It did seem like a good idea at the time.
I thought we agreed you're not to discuss this until after the election. This isn't a problem.
But shouldn't we have a response? I mean,
Your response is to say nothing. Trust me. We know what's best for Wales. Unless you have any better suggestions.